see. After clicking this one, rating will be placed there. You just see. Got it placed now. Got it. Then after switching on the light, source on ho jayega. Source will be light. Start lighting. Done. This is the source. This is diffraction grating, and this total one is known as spectrometer. And mainly spectrometer consisting of three major parts. The first part of the spectrometer is known as collimator, and the last part of the spectrometer is known as telescope. And the central part where grating is placed, that is known as prism table. Okay. And this spectrometer has two vernier scales as written. The left one is known as vernier 1 and the right one is known as vernier 2. And just see the table. What is written in the table? B1. See, number of vernier. That means B1 stands for vernier 1 and B2 stands for vernier 2. That means the observations, whatever you are getting from the left side, you have to write that one for B1. And which one we are getting from the right hand side, you have to write that one for B2. Okay. This is all about your vernier 1 and vernier 2. Okay. But left side pattern, right side pattern, I'll say. Okay. You just see how to find out left side pattern and how to find out right side patterns. Okay. See. And this, remember these things, this spectrometer has two crosswire. One is horizontal one, another one is vertical one. Always you have to follow this one. Okay. See. Right now, telescope is at center. Okay. Then you just rotate this one towards left initially because table 1, first of all, we have to find the observation for left first order pattern, then for left second order pattern, then for right side first order pattern, right side for second order pattern. Accordingly, we have to note the observation. See, right now I'm going to find out, that means your left first order patterns. Okay. See, if you click remove grating will be removed. See, okay. Then after placing grating, you have to start the experiment. See, telescope is at center. That means telescope at 90 degrees it is showing. So start moving towards left. See, so many colors of the light will come. You just see, rotate very slowly. Okay, but already told you first yellow, that will be known as left side first order pattern. Other colors, due to diffraction, so many colors are coming, but we have to note observations for first mercury yellow. Our source is mercury vapor lamp. That's why it is known as mercury yellow. Okay. So after finding the first order fringe or pattern, your job is you have to place the vertical crosswire tangent to left side of that fringe. Then after note down the observations. This is the position. Right now the crosswire is at left side of the first order pattern or not. Just reply. How to place the crosswire? All of you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in this way you have to place the crosswire. So you just see this one is left side first order pattern. We have to note the observations for this one first. Then I will show you which one is the left second. Try to rotate more. Okay, rotate more. Another yellow will come and you have to make the crosswire tangent to left side of that one. And this is known as what? Left side second order pattern. Okay, then you have to make the crosswire tangent to left side and note down the vernier 1 reading and vernier 2 readings. Then after noting observations for left side two patterns, again back to the center. Center is, what is the reading at center? 90. You just bring the telescope to 90 degree. That means which is the center. Right now telescope is at center. Okay, at center the fringe, the pattern which one we are getting, that is known as what? Central maxima. Because according to your theory, when we are at center, intensity is maximum and fringe is minimum. Fringe is minimum. That's why we are getting a narrow fringe and fully bright fringe. Okay, this is called central maxima. But no need to take any observations for that. Then after you just start moving towards right gradually. Same thing will happen. So many colors will come initially. The yellow, which one come first, that will be known as what? Right side first order pattern. Same things. Here also you have to place the crosswire tangent to left side of the fringe and note down the vernier 1 readings and vernier 2 readings. Then after noting observations, then start moving for the second order patterns. Second yellow. Okay. Other colors ignore. Okay. Then place the crosswire is at left side, tangent to left side. Then note down the observations. Vernier 1 observations and vernier 2 observations. First of all of you clear about for what we are going to note observations. All of you clear? Just reply me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to note observations? Right now I'll say. Okay. So before taking observations, once again, I'm going back to center. Then after. Okay. So right now we are at center. Remember one thing. Already I told you. First of all, we need to find out least count of the both the Vernier scales. We have two Vernier scale. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out the least count of the both. Okay. Okay, you have to check list count for both the scale is same or not. See, we have a Vernier scale. Vernier 1, see, this one is the Vernier scale where 0 and 30 is written. Similarly, this is also Vernier scale. Okay, and the upper one is known as what? Main scale. Okay, main scale. Here, see, by taking the help of spectrometer, we are going to determine what? Angle of diffraction. That means the main scale reading should be in degree or not. Clear? All of you? Just reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, here we are going to determine angle of diffraction by taking the help of spectrometer. That's why the main scale readings is in degree. And which is a circle. Okay, see, actually this is a full circle. Okay, main scale here. Okay, this is the main scale actually. Vernier main, Vernier main. यहाँ पे zoom करके दिखा रहा है to note the observations for nothing else. Okay, so actually this is the main scale, the big one, and the small scale which is placed along the main scale, that is the Vernier scale. Okay, so see, one circle means, so starting from 0 degree to last should be what? 360 degree or not? We have a main scale from 0 degree to 360 degrees total. But remember one thing, what is the formula to find the least count? I'm showing you. See the formula. One main scale division divided by total number of Vernier scale divisions. Okay. So first of all, you need to find out what? One main scale division in degree. You need to find out. See how to find it. You just see. See the main scale. 0 of the main scale is visible. Just reply me. And 10.
Yes,
10 is also visible.
Yes,
Okay? So
Yes, sir.
between 0 and 10, there are how many main scale divisions are there? You just find out. How many main scale divisions are there? Between 0 and 10 degree. 0 degree and 10 degree. Anyone can tell by counting?
20.
20 is the correct answer, not
Yes,
10. Because already told you how many divisions. That means you have to count each and every division present on it. Similarly, so we have main scale divisions, total number of Vernier scale division, how much? That is 30. Okay, that means here you got 20 main scale division is equal to 10 degree. So for calculation of least count, we need what? One main scale division. That means similarly, if 20 main scale division is equal to 10 degree, so one main scale division is equal to how much? Anyone can tell? One main scale division, how much?
0.5.
0.5.
0.5.
Very good. 1 by okay. That means that is 1 by 20. That is 0.05 degree. Okay. See, and what is the least count? We just check. Formula. One main scale division, 0.05 degree divided by 30 is the least count. कितना आ रहा है? Okay. That is the least count. In other word also, you may convert this in minute also, because already you know 1 degree is 60 minutes. Okay. 1 degree is 60 minutes. If you got 0.05 degree or 5 degree, what you are getting?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. That 30 minutes by 30. So least count will be 1 minute.
1 minute.
Okay. If you convert this in 1 minute, least count is 1 minute. Otherwise, it will be 0.0166, I think. Okay. Least count. Just calculate accordingly. 1 MST divided by total number of Vernier scale divisions. Okay. Calculate. So that is the least count. Then after finding the least count, you are going to note the observation. See the observation table now. See, first of all, left side, first order pattern. For first order B1, we need to find out MSR, BC, BSR, TSR. Similarly, for first order B2 also, MSR, BC, BSR, TSR. That means for us, one position, we need to find B1 readings and B2 readings simultaneously without changing the position of the telescope. Right now, I'm going to find out. See, rotate the telescope towards left. See, one minute here, change angle likha hua hai, that is telescope, and here find angle likha hua. That means if you are using this one, but okay, that means angle में थोड़ा जल्दी changes आएगा. Find angle means यहाँ पे धीरे-धीरे change होगा. Okay, nothing else. Okay, find angle and or change angle का use यही है. Okay, nothing else. So right now I'm going to go to left first order pattern, this one, and you have to make the cursor tangent to left side. Done. Right now cursor is tangent to left side of the pattern or not? Reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
That means for
Yes.
this position, without changing the position of the telescope, okay, you need to find out what MSR, VC, VSR, TSR of V1, and MSR, VC, VSR, TSR of V2. Okay. So right now, what is MSR? All you know or forget?
Main scale reading.
Main scale reading. How we are taking that one? Just see,
Corresponding
anyone
to
can say.
zero, one year
Yes.
Corresponding line corresponding to zero
Of
reading.
0 to
Yeah,
zero.
0 before
Okay.
we are checking. So right now, what is the reading of main scale reading for V1? Anyone can tell? This is the 5th experiment. Already you know how we are noting. So what is the observations for MSR? 1 year 1 MSR. Anyone can tell?
39 or 39.5.
No, 0 before I'm telling. So what is that exact? Exact one is 339 degree. Okay, because 0 lies between 339 and 339.5. So you just write 0 before always. Similarly, in this case also, what is the reading? Anyone can tell? 1 year 2 MSR.
158.
159.
159 degree. Okay, don't ignore the units. Okay, 159 degree, and V1 comes what? That is 339 degree. Actually, already told you, 0 of the 1 year 1 and 0 of the 1 year 2, both are opposite to each other, and here total is 360. That means there should be a minimum difference of 180 degree between V1 MSR and V2 MSR. That's why you are getting V1 MSR as 339 degree and V2 MSR as 159 degree, and difference is 180 degree. Always, okay. If you are getting a difference of less than 180 degree or greater than 180 degree, means you are doing the correct observations. We are noting the wrong observations. If you are getting 180 degree exactly, that means you are getting the correct observations. Clear? Because both the 0 are opposite to each other, and total is 360. Both are opposite to each other, means there should be a difference of 180 degree between. Okay. See, then after you need to how to find BC. Anyone can tell BC of V1 and BC of V2? 1 year coincidence. What is 1 year coincidence? That means 1 year constant or 1 year coincidence. That means the divisor of 1 year scale, okay, which is perfectly matching with any divisor of main scale. That division is known as 1 year coincidence. The division of the 1 year scale, that means 0 to 30 में से कोई एक आएगा. Okay, you just try to find out which one is the division. V1, VC. Yes, this one. This one. Coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the number? This is, if this
6.
10, 9, 6. 6 is the VC of 1 year 1. Okay, so 1 year 2 check karo. For 1 year 2, what is VC? Check. Which one? This one or not? 15 is matching or not? This one? No, not 15 is not matching exactly. Check yourself. Which one is matching perfectly? Not this, not this. This one, 5. Anyone can tell?
5.
This one, 5. 5 is not matching. You check both. This one and this one, I'm telling. This one, okay, maybe, or this one. You just check yourself. So, this one is also matching. Actually, you may write this one also. Okay, that is 25. 25 is matching perfectly with main scale, any division of main scale. Okay. The BC for 1 year 2 is 25. Clear or not clear?
Sir, 15 is also matching.
15. You might actually see the BC So you just try to find out the best one. Which one according to you, which one is matching, you just write that one. Don't worry about that. Okay, nothing will happen. MSR is very important. This is also important. Try to get the exact one. Okay, suppose you are finding one or two, write any one. Okay, try to find out the best one always. Which one is matching perfectly. That's why it is called. Okay, you may write 15 or 25. Both are matching. This also matching. 25, right? 25 is BC. Okay, or 182, 25 is the BC. Okay, then after finding BC, then what to find? So BSR and TSR. What is BSR? What is the formula for BSR? Anyone?
VC into
List
least
into list
count.
count.
Very good. BC into least count. Okay, so just list count in degree. Multiply list count in degree. We got list count in minute. 1 minute. 1 by 60 is the. Okay, convert that in degree. Then multiply with this. Suppose BC who got here 10 or 5 whatever. 6 into list count. BSR will come. Here 25. So 25 into list count. We'll get the BSR. Then what is TSR? Anyone can tell?
MSR plus VSR.
Very good. You just add this 159 degree. Sorry, 3. Kitna tha? Readings? Let me check once again. 339. 339 degree plus VSR is the result is the TSR. Similarly here 159 plus VSR is the TSR. मिल गया? Okay, दोनों का TSR मिल गया? Then that means after finding the TSR of V1 and V2, the reading of left side faster pattern over. Then we have to rotate the telescope to left side second order pattern. Okay, try to rotate. Okay, then make the cursor tangent to left. Note the observations. Everybody clear? So what is MSR here? Anyone can tell? For B1 MSR, B2 MSR, what is MSR? Check and tell. You should first find out B1 MSR. So this is the reading. What is the reading? 320.
0.5.
15.5.
315.5.
Yes. 315.5 degree. Okay. Similarly here, what you are getting? Similarly, find out.
35.5.
5.5.
Yes, 35.
35.5.
Very good, very good. Okay. Then after find out VC and find out VSR and TSR for TSR for both. That means left side readings over. Then after you have to start noting observations, right side pattern. Okay. So no need to that means tell everything for you. All of you clear how to find out right side patterns, observation for right side patterns and left side patterns. So right now I'm going to stop presentation. And I'm on line. Okay, you just complete the table up to this. Actually, here written what is that? Written theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. But actually that is mod of theta 1 minus theta 2 because angle should be positive always. Okay, so here in this part and calculation part, I'll say later. So first of all, at least you complete up to this. Then after completion of this TSR for both left side patterns and right side patterns, you just inform me. Then I will continue. Okay. So start taking observations and I am online. Right now I'm going to stop presentation. Okay. Continue noting observations. Then after completion of the first order TSR and second order TSR, then right side first order and second order TSR, you just inform me. Then I will continue the calculation part. Okay. Then continue noting observations. Clear or not clear? Reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
continue noting observations.
Yes, sir. Clear.
I am on line. Suppose you are facing any problem, you just ask me. Okay.
V2 TSR is 159.41.
Yes.
Second order left hand side pattern V1 TSR is coming 315.76.
Yes, TSR.
Yes, sir. TSR.
Okay. Okay. Then V2.
Then for V2 TSR it is 135.58.
Okay. Done. Then right side.
Right side first order V1 TSR is 20.16.
Very good. Okay.
For V2 TSR, it is 200.13.
Yes.
Then second order V1 TSR is 42.53.
Yes.
And V2 TSR is 222.66.
Yes. Done. Okay. That means I want to say what is written here: theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by 2. Okay.
Excuse me,
But
sir.
here you got 159 something, but here you got 21 point something. Okay. But remember one thing: the reading which is coming less than 45 degree, before taking the difference between theta 1 TSR and theta 2, okay, you have to add 360 with that. Got it or not? That means we have two observations which is less than 360 degree. This, sorry, 45 degree. So that means you have to add 360 with that. 360 plus this, you are getting or not? My screen is visible.
Sir, please repeat once again.
Here the observations, the TSR which comes less than 45 degree. So before taking difference between theta 1 and theta 2, you have to add 360 with that one. No need to write, only at the time of taking difference. Theta 1, sorry, 360 plus that reading minus the theta 1. Okay. Like this, you have to note the observation. Similarly, I am giving example. My screen is visible. All of you reply.
Yes, sir.
That means here you got 21.16. Okay, as you told. That means you have to add 360 plus 21.16 minus this TSR by 2. You have to write it here. Clear or not clear? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Because this observation is less than 45 degree. But here the observation is not less than 45 degree. That means here you have to directly subtract. Find the difference by 2. This minus this divided by 2 right here. Okay. Done or not
Yes,
done?
sir.
Similarly, here you got less than 45 degree. That's why 360 plus this minus this divided by 2 right here. Similarly, this difference between this and this by 2 divided by here. See, theta should be positive. Suppose you are getting negative, means you have to find out mod of theta 1 plus that. Okay, done. Accordingly, you have to find out. So right now, for first order, we have two thetas. This and this. To add these 2 divided by 2, mean theta will come. Similarly, for second order, we have 2 theta also. This plus this by 2 is the mean theta of the second order one. Clear or not clear of 2 mean theta? Tell me. Or once again, I'll repeat.
Yes, sir, clear.
I'll repeat once again. How to find mean theta? All of you clear or not clear? Reply me.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Clear.
fine. Then after getting first order mean theta.
Sir,
and
can you
second
please
order-
repeat?
Okay, fine. Once again, see. First of all, we have total observations. This. So at the time of taking difference between theta 1 and theta 2, first of all, you have to find out the observations which is less than 45 degree. That means at the time of taking difference, you have to add 360 with that observations, then subtract the corresponding one. Okay, then divide by 2 and find this theta. So accordingly. That means for first order, we will find 2 thetas, and for second order, we have two thetas. That means you have to add these 2 divided by 2, mean theta will come, and here also add these 2 divided by 2, mean theta will come. Got it or not? All of you got it? How to find mean theta?
Yes, sir.
Then after
Excuse me,
finding
sir.
mean theta, you have to start calculation of what? Angular, sorry, getting element. So what is the working formula to calculate? D is equal to n lambda divided by sine theta. That means we are going to calculate D. N for first order n is what? Anyone can tell?
1.
1.
1. Very good. 1 into lambda. Lambda given. Just convert this into centimeter and put the values. Okay. 1 into lambda divided by sine. Suppose you got 25 degree mean theta. For first order mean theta is coming 25. That means you have to put the value of sine 25. 1 for first order, you have to find out D1. Similarly for second order, once again you have to find D2. D2 is equal to 2 into lambda divided by sine theta 2. Suppose you are getting theta 2 is let for 50, sine 50, put the value of sine 50. Then after getting this D1 and D2. For first order you got D1 and for second order you got D2. Then after you have to find out mean getting element, that is D. D is equal to D1 plus D2 divided by 2, which is the result of the experiment. This much, nothing else. Clear or not clear how to calculate D1, D2 and mean D? Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then right now you just remember one thing. This is that means almost error-free experiment. We are not getting errors in this experiment. Okay. So that's why whatever you got from the experiment, just write that values. No need to change anything. Nothing required. Then after completion of calculation, then you write the conclusion, discussion, acknowledgement, and make a PDF and submit it before due date. Okay, done. So right now I'm going to take your attendance. I will call your IDs. Okay, you just reply by telling with your name. Okay. Right now I'm going to take your attendance, but you all should complete this before due date. Okay. So because after this week, you all are coming to the campus. So after coming to the campus, you have to submit the hard copy to me. I'll inform you when to submit. Okay. So before that, everything
Yes,
should
sir.
be completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right now I'm going to take your attendance. Done.